Hello my dear viewers, today I'll show you the every body parts of my chicks. So let's start this video. That one is my chicks. He is a 6-month old, 6 month 180 days. So I will show you the every body parts of my chicks. So if you are interested, please connected with these videos. Okay, that one is comb, and that one is face, looking nice, looking good, looking wow. Okay, that one is mouth, and that one is nose. That one is calc. So here is the leg. This is the rested leg, because my chicks is every time flying another home. And that one is leg, that one is knee, and do you know what is this? Hey buddy. And that one is lady finger. Do you know lady finger? And that one is fish. So, oh, it's the secret. No, I don't show you. And here is the dummy. And last one is the secret. What is the secret? I'll show you. I have a secrets. I think. Do you know what is this? I'll show you. No, baby. My baby says, yeah. Do you know what is this? This is the hair. This is the hair of my hand. It's very clear. So, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. I will show you the next internal body part of my chicks. Okay, goodbye.